What is going on, guys? Welcome to FTV Family Time Vlogs. We just got into our boardwalk room. It is beautiful. Let me turn it around. Don't mind breathing. He's not part of the view. This is when you walk in. Big hallway. Nice, like, mirrored closets. Lights come on for you. Lots of room here with shelves. And you have a little coffee bar here. I love the detail that they put into it. Just look at that. Oh, your necessities. Fridge.
Emergency alert. Tornado warning.
Wow.
God. Tornado.
Oh, it's really coming down now, huh? That's crazy.
It's still 9:15 a.m.
These are the beds.
Take shelter now. In basement.
We don't have a
Or
basement.
interior room on the lowest floor of the 30 building.
Lowest floor.
The outdoors,
Couch.
mobile home or a
Beautiful balcony. I'll show it to you another time. Well, I could come out here a little bit. We got our own private, like, balcony with the waterfall. Yeah. Mom, we got the waterfall room. Love the detail though. Like, look at the lamp on the little table. Mickey's on the pillows. Even here next to your little bedside table with outlets. USB-C and USB-A with the artwork. Lots of space under the bed for luggage. And then I just love all the artwork. And the detail, like, look at the lamps. I didn't show the artwork in here. Look at that. It's beautiful.
There's a clear
This is pretty big bathroom. Yeah, I showed all that. The artwork. It's a big bathroom. Very nice. We are back in the room. I didn't film, like, anything. We actually did end up going to Epcot. What was funny is we were walking over that way to get breakfast. We used 4 of our snacks for breakfast. Kyle got a muffin, Brayden got a croissant, and Mom and I got a cinnamon bun, Mickey cinnamon bun. Everything was really good. Good bakery they have here in Boardwalk. Anyways, the rain stopped, so we're like, all right, let's walk over to Epcot and do Epcot. Started to pour, downpour, so I couldn't bring the camera out at all because this camera is not waterproof. It's the only thing I don't like about it. And I didn't have my GoPro. It was in the car. But we did pretty good. We did 4 rides in about 4 hours. Guardians of the Galaxy, still my favorite. Frozen. Grand Fiesta Tour. And then we went through, I'm going to take you guys back with the GoPro and go through Moana's. That turned into one of my favorite attractions in Disney. Alright, made it to, back to Journey of Water. and it doesn't get wet. Like right here where my fingers are, you don't get wet at all. Just right here. It feels so crazy. It was so unique how you can play with the water and everything. Do you like that? It was really cool. We're just relaxing, having snacks, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got at the outlet, because we did go to the outlet. You gotta get there early if you're going. It's in the Vineland outlet, so there's a bunch of outlet stores, but they capped the line. We got there like an hour before it opened, and we were wrapped around like twice, but we got in. So the first thing we got were, there are 2 pins in each one of these Haunted Mansion. They're originally $20. And we got them for, how much, Mom? $5 each. So you can't beat that. Mom found 2 of her favorite things. She loves Loungeflies. She brought 3 of them. 3 Loungeflies. I told you don't need that many. And then she brought 3 and bought 2. I didn't see the chain. Did you?
Yeah. And then they have a strap.
That's awesome. $25. And it's originally $65. And that's the one she ran into the store to get. She wanted that one. Then we got 2 cups. They got all the characters, the cores. And then it has a flag. 2023, but we were here last year, so it works. That is the funniest. We ran in to get this too. We saw it from the window and we had to have it. He was kind of a lot, but he's weighted. Yeah, see. This was originally $40 and we got it for $15. Then we saw this, had to have it. It'll go perfect in a tiki bar. Kyle's like, this will be great for a tiki bar. So I'm like, yeah. I didn't know how much it was. We just saw $34.99. $5. $5. You can't beat that at all. We found this on the line. A dog toy. With it's got a rope. The Dalmatians. It's no squeaker though. Oh, there it is. There's a squeaker. Then we got, it's either a plant holder or a candle holder. Probably do both. $29.99. Marked down to $7.99. And it's really cute. Then the boys found these like medallion ornaments. All these clothes. They had good deals on shirts this year. That's cool. You're cold?
I feel like I want like a sweatshirt.
I need like a dry shirt.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Wait, Star Wars, I'm here. I'm here to see the kid. And that's my other shirt. You like it? Oh, it's nice.
A dry shirt.
That's everything we got at the outlet. The prices are unbeatable. Official merch. This would have cost a fortune. It was a little bit, but it adds up stuff. But if you bought this outright, it would have been a lot. The only thing I don't like about the outlets is there's not a limit on how much you could buy, and a lot of resellers go in there and just, like the mom was telling me, look at this one person. We looked at they had a basket, like their own wagon that they brought, and they had it filled with about 20 Loungeflies, maybe more. There it is. It's awesome to see. This view is just... See the boardwalk. This is one of the best Disney views that I've got to experience. I thought the one across from Springs was awesome, but this view right here. Thing Kyle found. This is a really good one. There was some guy holding like 10 of these too at checkout. Look at that. That Woody. That's like a collector. Look, that's the Moana. Oh, it lights up at night.
These are Mario's.
Oh yeah.
These.
Yeah, those are classic. So now we're just resting in the room, looking at the view, eating some snacks. And then we have dinner reservations. We're gonna go back to Epcot, and we have dinner reservations for Beer Garden in Germany. All you can eat. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll show you guys everything. Hopefully they do fireworks. It looks like the hurricane stopped, so. I don't know why you're so cold. It is 70 degrees. Are you becoming a Floridian? Just want to show you the halls of the Boardwalk Inn. They're beautiful. These lights are awesome. The rug. Nice. We're on the way to Epcot. We're walking there again. It's actually kind of a far walk from our resort. It's about, I would say, a mile. We're gonna try to get on Remy and then eat in the German restaurant. I think I was there when I was a kid. Haven't been there ever though. This year we're doing a lot of new restaurants that we haven't done ever, so that's gonna be fun.
The most authentic restaurants from different countries in each of the 50 states. That's the whole thing. They had like lists by language, and I found out the most authentic.
A lot more people out. We tried to go on Ratatouille, but it's about an hour wait, and we have to be at our dinner reservations in an hour, so we don't think we would have had time. It looks like it might start pouring any second, but luckily I did bring the GoPro. I'm hoping the fireworks are still gonna happen, and we have extra magic hours tonight since we're staying in Boardwalk. We're gonna try to go back to Remy then. Or maybe after dinner, I don't know.
1, 2, 3, super! Tiki-taki, tiki-taki! Tiki-taki, tiki-taki! Tiki-taki, tiki-taki! Roast, clink, and drink!
Chicken nuggets. Desserts. Thank you. Oh. Pork schnitzel. You got a good plate too, huh? Let's take a bite. Schnitzel just means fried, right? That's my favorite so far. So we walked everywhere and we found a good spot. France is a little bit down that way, so we go on Remy right after the fireworks because we could have a late night because we're in a boardwalk. And we got a good spot for fireworks, Pan. There it is. So they want to talk about Beer Garden. It was really good. It came to around $230, I think it was. But we had the dining plan, so it was included as one sit-down dinner, which was good. And it came with beer of your choice. Pretty big beer, too. Half a liter. All you can eat. Food was pretty good. Mom, did you like the food at Beer Garden? What was your favorite? Yeah, those meatballs are. I went back for seconds and I put like 6 of them on my plate, so maybe 8. I don't know. Brian, what was your favorite thing?
What?
What was your favorite at the buffet?
I don't know. It was all good.
It was cool because they do a little show too every hour. We got Braden. He was like dancing and getting all involved. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on right here where Braden is. Back in the room. It was weird. We were waiting over an hour for fireworks. We got a really good spot and everything. They announced they were going to happen and everything. And then the fireworks started, but it wasn't pyro. There was no pyro. There was no fireworks. It was just like the water show and everything. And pretty much that was it. So I guess because it rained a lot, it was too wet. I don't know. Ended up leaving, and we saw Remy was only a 15-minute wait, Ratatouille. So we're like, let's just go there, get on it. Luckily we did, because by the time we got on and off, the fireworks ended. Well, the fireworks. And the line went to like an hour wait. So then we walked back home, and so then we walked back to the room, and now we're just relaxing, watching Mickey cartoons, and gonna rest. Tomorrow is our resort day, so we're probably just gonna do the pool and whatnot. But we had a good time. Got on pretty much everything too. We went on Soarin' as well. And we did about everything. That's it. I'm gonna close the vlog out here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We will see you tomorrow. Almost forgot to tell you guys, we ended at 24,000 steps. 24,000. My legs are shot. Just have to show this view one more time before we go to bed. So nice. It's beautiful. Well, this bed is comfy too. Peace.